Filipino Food Month FFM or the Buwan ng Kalutong Pilipino is annually celebrated in April. This proclamation aims to celebrate and promote the country's vast culinary tradition and treasures. This allows the future generations of Filipinos to appreciate the Filipino culinary history and heritage. This year, the National Commission for Culture and the Arts, together with the Department of Agriculture, the Department of Tourism, and the Philippine Culinary Heritage Movement, is spearheading this year's celebration with the theme Engaging the Youth in Shaping the Future of Philippine Culinary Heritage and Gastronomy.
Sari-saring sangkap man ang pagkaing Pilipino, ang pagmamahal, lasap na lasap. Sari-saring sangkap rin ang kultura natin, ang palasang Pilipino, walang kasing sarap.
Kalutong Pilipino, lakas ng kabataang makabago na theme is just right and fit sa ngayong panahon. I wish all the success for the Filipino Food Month, and I hope that kabataan natin, future chefs of the world, maging successful sila at magkaroon ng mga bagong panlasang Pilipino.
Pagmalaki